So today we are going to download WhatSaga. So first of all, you have to go to Google Play Store, tap on it. Then after that, what you have to do next is to tap on Google Play. Then you type in WhatSaga. Then after that, you tap on the search. So as you can see, we are going to download WhatSaga long WhatsApp status. So tap over here. We are going to download this. So let's tap on it. And as you can see, this is it. So let's try to download it. So tap on install. So after tapping on install, you're going to see it's downloading. So let's tap on it to see the profile pic. So this is the profile pic. So guys, just have a look at it. This is the profile pic. So that is it. So as you can see, it's really downloading over here. As you can see, it's downloading and it's moving over here. It is 12.22 megabytes. That's the storage capacity. So let's try to wait for it to download on our device successfully. And let's scroll to learn more. So as you can see, you can use it to on sync chat or deleted chat. You can use it to see deleted chat, recover media on WhatsApp, and also direct message and also upload and also delete. You can use it to upload and also download WhatsApp status. It's so good. I really like this app. And if you want more educational content like this, just tap on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. And you have to also like the video for more content like this. So as you can see, we are done with it. So what you have to do is to tap on open. So when you tap on open and watch, you are going to see is this. So this is how it is. So you have to read more about it to learn how it really works. Tap on next, record settings, keep on messaging, your notification, keep on your to save media. Okay, that's so good. Disclaimer: this app does not recover your old data. It will recover those messages which is received after the installation. So you have to understand this. When you download this app, all your old messages that was deleted, you are not going to recover it, but rather the ones that it will be deleted after you downloaded this app. You get me? So this is the reason why they've given you a disclaimer over here. So you have to read this. It's really important for you to understand. When you get your media deleted and you download this, you are not going to get it unless you download it and your media gets deleted. So you have to download this app quick. It's really important. You have to note this. It says disclaimer. So guys, that's it. You tap on down, then we are done. So I don't want the app to load, so this is it. So I'll be doing more videos about these tools for you to see the difference. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one. We are going to meet in the next one. Bye.